मुझे लू लग गई है। I have got sunstroke. I have got sunstroke. कूलर में थोड़ा पानी डाल दो। Pour some water into the cooler. Pour some water into the cooler. पानी की बोतलें भर दो। Fill the bottles with water. Fill the bottles with water. क्या करें? अब जो है सो है। What to do? It is what it is. What to do? It is what it is. मुझे अब जाना होगा। Now I have to go. Now I have to go. कुछ भी हो सकता था। Anything could have happened. Anything could have happened. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What's there in your pocket? What's there in your pocket? क्या तुम मुझे हंसा सकते हो? Can you make me laugh? Can you make me laugh? मैं तुम्हारी नौकरी लगवा दूंगा। I will get you a job. I will get you a job. वह मेरी बात नहीं सुनता। He does not listen to me. He does not listen to me. रमेश वहाँ कल शाम को पहुँचेगा। रमेश will reach there tomorrow evening. रमेश will reach there tomorrow evening. वह कैसी दिखती है? How does she look? How does she look? उनके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं था। They had no choice. They had no choice. परसों छुट्टी थी। It was holiday day before yesterday. It was holiday day before yesterday. मेरे कमरे में मत आओ। Don't enter my room. Don't enter my room. मैं कमरे से बाहर कदम नहीं रखूंगा। I won't step out of the room. I won't step out of the room. वह पिछले दरवाजे से भाग गया। He escaped from the back door. He escaped from the back door. किसी ने तुम्हें देख लिया है। Somebody has seen you. Somebody has seen you. मैं वहाँ लगभग 6 बजे पहुँचा। I reached there around 6 o'clock. I reached there around 6 o'clock. अपनी जान बचाकर भागो। Run for your life. Run for your life. क्या तुमने सभी सवाल हल कर दिए? Have you solved all the questions? Have you solved all the questions? वह लगभग 30 साल का है। He is about 30 years old. He is about 30 years old. एक बात अक्सर मेरे दिमाग में आती है। A thought often crosses my mind. A thought often crosses my mind. तुम मुझसे चाहते क्या हो? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? गणित एक कठिन विषय है। Mathematics is a tough subject. Mathematics is a tough subject. वह मुझे भुला चुका है. He has forgotten me. He has forgotten me. तुमने उस दिन मेरी मदद की थी. You helped me that day. You helped me that day. क्या तुम्हें मेरी याद आई? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं है. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. मैं यहीं पैदा हुआ और पला बढ़ा. I was born and brought up here. I was born and brought up here. अपना पसीना पोंछ लो. Wipe your sweat. Wipe your sweat. मुझसे कुछ मत छिपाओ. Don't hide anything from me. Don't hide anything from me. पंखा तेज करो. Turn the fan up. Turn the fan up. तुम्हें माफी मांगनी चाहिए. You should apologize. You should apologize. क्या मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ? Can I do something for you? Can I do something for you? अब तुम हद पार कर रहे हो. Now you are crossing the limit. Now you are crossing the limit. आसमान बादलों से घिरा हुआ है. The sky is overcasted. The sky is overcasted. मैं लड़ने के मूड में नहीं हूँ. I am not in a mood to fight. I am not in a mood to fight. वह तुम्हें ढूंढ रही थी. She was looking for you. She was looking for you. मुझे बहुत पसीना आ रहा है. I am sweating too much. I am sweating too much. मुझे बिल्कुल भी भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry at all. I am not hungry at all. तुम्हारी संगत ने मुझे बिगाड़ दिया है. Your company has spoiled me. Your company has spoiled me. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It's boiling hot today. It is boiling hot today. मैं रात को जल्दी सो जाता हूँ. I go to sleep early at night. I go to sleep early at night. क्या तुम्हें किसी बात का डर है? Are you afraid of something? Are you afraid of something? मैं अगले स्टेशन पर उतर जाऊंगा. I'll get down at next station. I will get down at next station. क्या वक्त हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? वह बिना कुछ कहे चला गया. He left without saying anything. He left without saying anything. तुम करना क्या चाह रहे हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? वह तुम्हारे साथ नहीं जाएगी। She won't go with you. She won't go with you. उस लड़के में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in that boy? What do you like in that boy? मैं इस पर कुछ नहीं कह सकता। I can't comment anything on it. I can't comment anything on it. जो कुछ मैंने चाहा वो मुझे मिला। Whatever I wanted, I got that. Whatever I wanted, I got that. इस समय उसे बुलाना ठीक नहीं है। It is no good calling him at this time. It is no good calling him at this time. आज का अखबार कहाँ है? Where is today's newspaper? Where is today's newspaper? जहाँ कहीं भी मैं देखता हूँ तुम दिखती हो। Wherever I see, it's you. Wherever I see, it's you. उन्हें मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते कहना। Give him my regards. Give him my regards. वह अक्सर फूट फूट कर रोने लगता है। He often bursts into tears. He often bursts into tears. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना। Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. तुम वहाँ कब तक रहोगे? For how long will you stay there? For how long will you stay there? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता। Even I don't know this. Even I don't know this. कीमतें 10 गुना बढ़ गई हैं। Prices have risen tenfold. Prices have risen tenfold. मुझसे दोबारा कभी बात मत करना। Don't ever talk to me again. Don't ever talk to me again. तुम चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो? Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? मैं तुम्हें समझ ही नहीं सका। I could not understand you. I couldn't understand you. मेरा सपना सच हो गया। My dream came true. My dream came true. मुझे सांपों से डर लगता है। I am afraid of snakes. I am afraid of snakes. उसे बहुत छींकें आ रही हैं। He is sneezing a lot. He is sneezing a lot. तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई। Your hard work paid off. Your hard work paid off. हमारी सारी कोशिशें काम नहीं आई। All our efforts were fruitless. All our efforts were fruitless. क्या आपको गर्मी का मौसम पसंद है? Do you like summers? Do you like summers? मैं तुम्हें एक कहानी सुनाता हूँ। I tell you a story. I tell you a story. यही तो मैं सोच रहा था। This is what I was thinking. This is what I was thinking. आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? तुम जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? तुम्हें क्या दिक्कत है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? अभी के अभी यहाँ आओ. Come here right now. Come here right now. फिलहाल मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. As of now, I am working. As of now, I am working. चाय बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है. The tea is piping hot. The tea is piping hot. तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि ये गलत है? Don't you think it's wrong? Don't you think it's wrong? आखिर तुमने मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं? After all, why didn't you tell me? After all, why didn't you tell me? तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? वो क्या है ना, मुझे कहीं जाना है. Actually, the thing is, I have to go somewhere. Actually, the thing is, I have to go somewhere. बाइक की चाबी नहीं मिल रही है. I can't find the key of bike. I can't find the key of bike. ये तो इसका रोज का काम है. It is his everyday's story. It is his everyday's story. मैं बता नहीं सकता ये कितना बेहतरीन है. I can't describe how amazing it is. I can't describe how amazing it is. इन पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention to them. Don't pay attention to them. अच्छा, तुम रहते कहाँ हो? Well, where do you live? Well, where do you live? सोच समझकर जवाब दो मुझे. Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही खा लिया है. I ate too much. I ate too much. उसने अपना गुस्सा मुझ पर निकाल दिया. He took his anger out on me. He took his anger out on me. वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल रहा था. He was speaking too much. He was speaking too much. आजकल वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हवा में उड़ रहा है. Nowadays he is putting on airs. Nowadays he is putting on airs. मैच कितने बजे शुरू होगा? What time will the match start? What time will the match start? मुझे चाय से ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी पसंद है. I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer coffee to tea. तुम खाना खाते खाते कहाँ चले गए? Where did you go while eating food? Where did you go while eating food? एक बात तो पक्की है, तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे. One thing is sure, you will never improve. One thing is sure, you will never improve. वह हार नहीं मानेगा। He will not give up. He will not give up. मैंने उसे बहुत मनाया तब जाकर वह मानी। I persuaded her a lot, then at last she gave in. I persuaded her a lot, then at last she gave in. कौन कौन वहाँ जा रहा है? Who else is going there? Who else is going there? अंग्रेजी बोलने की आदत डाल लो। Get into the habit of speaking English. Get into the habit of speaking English. और कौन था तुम्हारे साथ? Who else was with you? Who else was with you? बात करनी है तो करो। If you want to talk, then talk. If you want to talk, then talk. जैसा बाप वैसा बेटा। Like father, like son. Like father, like son. मैं तुम जितना अमीर नहीं हूं। I am not as rich as you. I am not as rich as you. जल्दी का काम शैतान का। Haste makes waste. Haste makes waste. नेकी कर दरिया में डाल। Do good and forget. Do good and forget. कैसा लग रहा हूं मैं? How do I look? How do I look? करूं तो क्या करूं? What do I do? What do I do? तुम्हारा दिमाग तो ठीक है? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मेरे साथ चालाकी मत करो। Do not play dumb with me. Don't play dumb with me. मैं अपना आपा खो बैठा। I lost my senses. I lost my senses. वह आपे से बाहर हो गया था। He went out of control. He went out of control. मेरी वाट लग गई है। I am in big trouble. I am in big trouble. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने से डर लगता है। I am scared of speaking English. I am scared of speaking English. तुम तो बड़ी मतलबी निकली। You turned out to be so selfish. You turned out to be so selfish. मेरे गाल मत खींचो। Don't pull my cheeks. Don't pull my cheeks. आप कब से यहां खड़े हुए हो? Since when have you been standing here? Since when have you been standing here? यह अनजाने में हुआ। It was done unknowingly. It was done unknowingly. मेरे पास और कोई रास्ता नहीं है। I have no other option. I have no other option. हथेली पर सरसों नहीं जमती। Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built in a day. किससे पूछकर तुम यहां आए? Who allowed you to come here? Who allowed you to come here? वह नाक से बोलता है। He has a nasal accent. He has a nasal accent. तुम्हें ये सब कैसे पता? How do you know all this? How do you know all this? मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है। I am starving. I am starving. उसमें ऐसी क्या खास बात है? What's so special about her? What's so special about her? मैं गंजा हो रहा हूं. I am going bald. I am going bald. तुम मुझे इस तरह धोखा नहीं दे सकते. You can't deceive me like this. You cannot deceive me like this. वह बाल बाल बच गया. He had a narrow escape. He had a narrow escape. मुझे यह समझ नहीं आया. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. ये मेरी समझ से बाहर है. It is beyond my understanding. It is beyond my understanding. तुम बुरा मान गई क्या? Did you get offended? Did you get offended? मैं तुम पर फिदा हूं. I am infatuated on you. I am infatuated on you. क्या ऐसा रोज होता है? Does it happen every day? Does it happen every day? तुम्हारी परीक्षा कैसी रही? How was your exam? How was your exam? वो तो वहां जाएगा ही. He will obviously go there. He will obviously go there. मेरा मतलब आपको परेशान करने का नहीं था. I did not mean to bother you. I did not mean to bother you. क्या तिकड़म भिड़ाई आपने? What a maneuver by you. What a maneuver by you. मेरा गला खराब है. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. समझ नहीं आता आज खाने में क्या बनाऊं. I don't know what to cook today. I don't know what to cook today. अपनी घड़ी ठीक करवाओ. Get your watch repaired. Get your watch repaired. ये सब इसको समझाओ. Make him understand all this. Make him understand all this. मैं पोछा लगा रहा हूं. I am mopping the floor. I am mopping the floor. और कौन तुम्हारे साथ गया है? Who else has gone with you? Who else has gone with you? अब मुकरना मत. Don't back out now. Don't back out now. मैं घर पहुंच गया हूं. I have reached home. I have reached home. वह बिल्कुल भी अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल सकती. She can't speak English at all. She can't speak English at all. मूवी कैसी रही? How was the movie? How was the movie? केवल सॉरी कहने से काम नहीं चलेगा. Just saying sorry will not work. Just saying sorry will not work. सोना है तो सो जाओ. If you want to sleep, then sleep. If you want to sleep, then sleep. मेरा पेट खराब है. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. तुम्हारी शादी करीब आ रही है. Your marriage is drawing near. योर मैरिज इज ड्रॉइंग नियर। मन करता है कि तुमसे बात करता ही रहूं। I feel like keep talking to you. I feel like keep talking to you. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something now? May I say something now? मेरे पास तुम्हें बताने के लिए कुछ नहीं है। I have nothing to tell you. I have nothing to tell you. चाय ठंडी हो रही है। The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. ये तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है। It is a piece of cake for me. It is a piece of cake for me. दाल में कुछ काला है। Something is fishy. Something is fishy. इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हें चाहता हूं। Having said that, I love you. Having said that, I love you. तुम्हें तो कुछ भी समझाना बेकार है। It is useless to make you understand anything. It is useless to make you understand anything. क्या तुम्हारे आसपास कोई है? Is anybody around you? Is anybody around you? मैं यूं गया और यूं आया। I'll be back in a flash. I will be back in a flash. ऐसा दोस्त होना किस्मत की बात है। Having such a friend is a matter of luck. Having such a friend is a matter of luck. मुझे तुम्हारे भाई से डर लगता है। I'm scared of your brother. I'm scared of your brother. काश मैं तुमसे पहले मिला होता। I wish I would have met you earlier. I wish I would have met you earlier. मेरे फोन पर स्क्रैच पड़ गया है। My phone has got a scratch. My phone has got a scratch. मैं इसके लिए कसूरवार नहीं हूं। I am not guilty for this. I am not guilty for this. तुम क्या मुझे बेवकूफ समझते हो? Do you take me for a fool? Do you take me for a fool? आपका जवाब नहीं। You have no match. You have no match. मैं तुम जैसा जीवन साथी पाकर बहुत खुश हूं। I am very happy to have such a life partner like you. I am very happy to have such a life partner like you. तुम तो बड़े चालू निकले। You turned out to be so clever. You turned out to be so clever. सच कहूं तो मैं बहुत खुश हूं। To be honest, I am very happy. To be honest, I am very happy. अब किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it now? Whose turn is it now? तुम्हारी तबीयत अब कैसी है? How is your health now? How is your health now? मेरी नाक बह रही है। I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. खाना है तो खा लो। If you want to eat, then eat. If you want to eat, then eat. जाना है तो जाओ। If you want to go, then go. If you want to go, then go. मुझे उससे बात करे बिना रुका नहीं जाता। I can't help talking to her. I can't help talking to her. मैं अपना फ़ोन तुम्हारे घर भूल गया था। I had forgotten my mobile at your house. I had forgotten my mobile at your house. यहाँ सबसे अच्छा होटल कौन सा है? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? ये आपकी मेहरबानी है. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. वो देर से उठता है. He is a late riser. He is a late riser. ये मेरी दूर की रिश्तेदार है. She is my distant relative. She is my distant relative. मैं पौधों को पानी दे रहा हूं. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. ऐसा बेटा होना गर्व की बात है. Having such a son is a matter of pride. Having such a son is a matter of pride. मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ. Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. अपने आप को संभालो. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. मेरे काम में दखल मत दो. Do not interfere in my work. Don't interfere in my work. वो बेहोश हो गया है. He has become unconscious. He has become unconscious. सुबह जल्दी उठने की आदत डाल लो. Get into the habit of getting up early. Get into the habit of getting up early. मुझे थोड़ा पानी पीने दो. Let me have some water. Let me have some water. सेवा करो, मेवा पाओ. No gains without pains. No gains without pains. तुम्हारे साथ कहीं जाना ही बेकार है. It is useless to go anywhere with you. It is useless to go anywhere with you. मुसीबत को मत बुलाओ. Don't ask for trouble. Don't ask for trouble. मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा समय निकालो. Spare some time for me too. Spare some time for me too. मुझे ऊंचाइयों से डर लगता है. I am scared of heights. I am scared of heights. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in this? What is my fault in this? छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Are you a little girl? Are you a little girl? पूरा घर अस्त व्यस्त है. The whole house is a mess. The whole house is a mess. ये बात मेरे दिमाग से निकल गई. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. वक्त सब भुला देता है. Time is a great healer. Time is a great healer. ज़्यादा हवा में मत उड़ो. Don't put on airs. Don't put on airs. बिस्तर बिछा दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. नींबू निचोड़ दो. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. नंगे पांव मत चलो. Do not walk barefooted. Do not walk barefooted. सामान खोल दो. Unpack the luggage. Unpack the luggage. उसे टेलीफोन करो. Ring her up. Ring her up. नाक साफ करो. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. जेब कतरों से बचो. Beware of pickpocketers. Beware of pickpocketers. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow out the candle. Blow out the candle. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. अपने नाखून काट लो. Pare your nails. Pare your nails. पेंसिल से मत लिखो. Don't write with the pencil. Don't write with the pencil. कुल्ला कर लो. Rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth. कोई तुम्हें बुला रहा है. Someone is calling you. Someone is calling you. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. उसे मेरे पास भेजो. Send him to me. Send him to me. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit upright. Sit upright. बाजार से क्या लाना है? What to bring from the market. What to bring from the market. वह कल से रो रहा है. He has been weeping since yesterday. He has been weeping since yesterday. इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. There is nothing wrong in it. There is nothing wrong in it. मुझसे तो चला नहीं जा रहा. I am unable to walk. I am unable to walk. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I have to talk to you. I have to talk to you. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. वह घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मैं जगा हुआ हूँ. I am awake. I am awake. वह सोया हुआ है. He is asleep. He is asleep. तुमने कौन सा परफ्यूम लगाया है? Which perfume are you wearing? Which perfume are you wearing? क्या आपको भूख लग रही है? Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry? घर पर सब कैसे हैं? How is everyone at home? How is everyone at home? क्या तुमने डॉक्टर को दिखाया? Did you see a doctor? Did you see a doctor? तुमने मेरा दिल तोड़ दिया. You broke my heart. You broke my heart. ये बिल मैं दूंगा. I will pay the bill. I will pay the bill. बात को दिल पर मत लगाओ. Don't take it too hard. Don't take it too hard. मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा। नो वन विल बी वर्स देन मी। नो वन विल बी वर्स देन मी। यह सब मुझ पर छोड़ दो। लीव इट ऑल टू मी। लीव इट ऑल टू मी। मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा। आई विल स्मैश योर फेस। आई विल स्मैश योर फेस। क्या तुमने दवाई ली? डिड यू टेक मेडिसिन? डिड यू टेक मेडिसिन? मुझे हिचकियां आ रही हैं। आई एम गेटिंग हिकअप्स। आई एम गेटिंग हिकअप्स। क्या तुमने कभी भूत देखा है? हैव यू एवर सीन अ घोस्ट? हैव यू एवर सीन अ घोस्ट? ज्यादा भाव मत खाओ। डोंट एक्ट सो प्राइसी। डोंट एक्ट सो प्राइसी। अपना हाथ देना। गिव मी योर हैंड। गिव मी योर हैंड। जहाँ तक मुझे पता है, as far as I know, as far as I know। कितना समय लगता है? How long does it take? How long does it take? चुपचाप निकलो यहाँ से। Get out of here quietly. Get out of here quietly। बहाने मत बनाओ। Do not make excuses. Don't make excuses। किसने किसको मारा? Who hit whom? Who hit whom? मेरे रास्ते में आना बंद करो। Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way। मुझे गलत मत समझना। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong। तुझे इतना गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Why are you getting so angry? Why are you getting so angry? ज़्यादा मत सोचो। Don't overthink. Don't overthink। मेरे बाल उलझे हुए हैं। My hair is tangled. My hair is tangled। मैं ये एहसान उतार दूंगा। I will return the favor. I will return the favor। मेरे सामने मत आओ। Don't come in front of me. Don't come in front of me। सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है। The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter। वह हकला रहा था। He was stammering. He was stammering। मैं तुम्हें जल्द ही पकड़ लूँगा। I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon। इसे याद कर लो। Memorize this. Memorize this। अपनी पहचान बताओ। Identify yourself. Identify yourself। तुरंत वापस आओ। Return at once. Return at once। तुम्हें ज़रूर जाना चाहिए। You must go। You must go। बाहर धूप है। It's sunny outside। It's sunny outside। अपनी किताब निकालो। Take out your book। Take out your book। यह करना अभी बाकी है। It is yet to be done. It is yet to be done. वह छोटी सोच वाला है. He is narrow-minded. He is narrow-minded. काश तुम यहाँ होती. I wish you were here. I wish you were here. मेरे बाल बना दो. Do my hair. Do my hair. बिस्तर से नीचे उतरो. Get off the bed. Get off the bed. अभी नहीं. Not now. Not now. लेकिन क्यों? But why? But why? पैसे मैं दूंगा. I will pay. I will pay. जहाँ भी. Wherever. Wherever. जब भी. Whenever. Whenever. बिल्कुल नहीं. No way. No way. मैं क्यों? Why me? Why me? कई साल पहले. Many years ago. Many years ago. तुम मेरे हो. You are mine. You are mine. हमेशा के लिए. Forever. Forever. भाड़ में जाओ. Go to hell. Go to hell. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. चलो नाचते हैं. Let's dance. Let's dance. कोई दिक्कत? Any problem? Any problem? उससे पूछो. Ask him. Ask him. हंसो मत. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. तुम होते कौन हो? Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you? मेरे लिए रुको. Wait for me. Wait for me. किसी भी कीमत पर. At any cost. At any cost. तुम जाते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you leave? Why don't you leave? किस लिए? For what? For what? अगली बार आना. Come next time. Come next time. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. फिलहाल नहीं. Not for time being. Not for time being. जो भी है. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. जल्दी आना. Come soon. Come soon. ऐसे कैसे? How come? How come? तुम्हारी याद आएगी. I'll miss you. I'll miss you. जल्दी मत करो. Don't rush. Don't rush. अपना ख्याल रखना. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. कोई भी. Whoever. Whoever. अभी नहीं. Not yet. Not yet. वह कौन है? Who is she? Who is she? सब कुछ ठीक है. Everything is good. Everything is good. इतना नहीं. Not that much. Not that much. इतनी जल्दी क्यों? Why so early? Why so early? कितने दुख की बात है. How sad. How sad. हमारे साथ चलो. Join us. ज्वाइन अस, किसी तरह, somehow, somehow, जिद मत करो, don't insist, don't insist, सावधानी से, be careful, be careful, दाएं मुड़ो, turn right, turn right, तुरंत निकलो, leave at once, leave at once, सीधे जाओ, go straight, go straight, इसे चालू करो, switch it on, switch it on, ये मुझे दे दो, give it to me, give it to me, वापस आओ, come back, come back, क्यों नहीं, why not, why not, यकीनन, certainly, certainly, मैं समझ गया, I got it, I got it, कुछ तो बोलो, say something, say something, अभी कहाँ हो तुम, where are you now, where are you now, अंदर ही रहना, stay inside, stay inside, फिर कब, then when, then when, बाहर निकलो, get out, get out, मैं पहले ही यहां हूं, I am already here, I am already here, रहने दो, let it be, let it be, पीछे मुड़ो, turn around, turn around, मेरी गलती है, my bad, my bad, तुम दोनों, both of you, both of you, कई बार, many a times, many a times, कभी कभी, sometimes, sometimes, ये मैं हूं, it's me, it's me, यहां पर, over here, over here, इसे लपेटो, wrap it, wrap it, बोलना बंद करो, stop talking, stop talking, इसे खोलो, open it, open it, हिलो मत, don't move, don't move, पढ़ना शुरू करो, start reading, start reading, मेरी तरफ देखो, look at me, look at me, आराम हराम है, rest is to rust, rest is to rust, अपना गुस्सा थूक दो, spit out your anger, spit out your anger, मेरी कसम खाओ, swear by me, swear by me, अब देरी मत करो, don't delay now, don't delay now, ध्यान से सुनो, listen carefully, listen carefully, कभी कभी, on and off, on and off, दरवाजा खोलो, open the door, open the door, हमेशा की तरह, as usual, as usual, ये अभी करो, डू इट नाउ, डू इट नाउ। कल मुझसे मिलना, मीट मी टुमारो, मीट मी टुमारो। पंखा चलाओ, टर्न ऑन द फैन, टर्न ऑन द फैन। माफ करना, एक्सक्यूज मी, एक्सक्यूज मी। तैयार हो जाओ, गेट रेडी, गेट रेडी। नाश्ता कर लो, हैव ब्रेकफास्ट, हैव ब्रेकफास्ट। अब तुम्हारी बारी, नाउ इट्स योर टर्न, नाउ इट्स योर टर्न। क्या तुम जा रहे हो? आर यू लीविंग, आर यू लीविंग। लापरवाह मत बनो, डोंट बी केयरलेस, डोंट बी केयरलेस। भूलना मत, डोंट फॉरगेट, डोंट फॉरगेट। ये किसने किया? हु डिड इट, हु डिड इट। क्या यह सच है? इज इट ट्रू, इज इट ट्रू। कुछ मत कहो, डोंट से एनीथिंग, डोंट से एनीथिंग। इसमें वक्त लगेगा, इट विल टेक टाइम, इट विल टेक टाइम। भरोसा रखो, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड। धीरज रखो, हैव पेशेंस, हैव पेशेंस। शांत रहो, स्टे काम, स्टे काम। जल्दबाजी मत करो, डोंट मेक हेस्ट, डोंट मेक हेस्ट। एक तरफ हटो, मूव असाइड, मूव असाइड। चलो खेलते हैं, लेट्स प्ले, लेट्स प्ले। किसने कहा? हु सेड, हु सेड। अभी आ रहा हूं, जस्ट कमिंग, जस्ट कमिंग। ये लो, टेक इट, टेक इट। इसे मेज पर रखो, पुट इट ऑन द टेबल, पुट इट ऑन द टेबल। देरी मत करना, डोंट बी लेट, डोंट बी लेट। दूध उबाल दो, बॉयल द मिल्क, बॉयल द मिल्क। कहाँ जाना है? वेयर टू गो, वेयर टू गो। ये तुम्हारे लिए है, दिस इज फॉर यू, दिस इज फॉर यू। किसके कहने पर? ऑन हुज ऑर्डर, ऑन हुज ऑर्डर। नहा लो, टेक अ शावर, टेक अ शावर। क्या करना है? व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट टू डू। कपड़े पहन लो, पुट ऑन द क्लोथ्स, पुट ऑन द क्लोथ्स। तुम ये कर सकते हो, यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन डू इट। कपड़े उतार दो, टेक ऑफ द क्लोथ्स, टेक ऑफ द क्लोथ्स। ये अभी करो, डू इट नाउ, डू इट नाउ। मेरा बिस्तर लगा दो, मेक माई बेड, मेक माई बेड। तुमने ये सही किया, यू डिड द राइट थिंग, यू डिड द राइट थिंग। अनुमान लगाओ। Guess what? Guess what? जरूरत से ज्यादा। More than enough. More than enough. इस बारे में सोचना। Think about it. Think about it. मुझे भूल जाओ। Forget me. Forget me. ये मुझे करने दो। Allow me to do it. Allow me to do it. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? गाली मत दो। Don't abuse. Don't abuse. गैस जला दो। Ignite the gas. Ignite the gas. मैं तुमसे सहमत हूं। I agree with you. I agree with you. मुझे जाना है। I have to go. I have to go. शर्माओ मत। Don't be shy. Don't be shy. चिढ़ाना बंद करो। Stop teasing. Stop teasing. मुझे मनाओ। Convince me. Convince me. तुम मनहूस हो। You are jinxed. You are jinxed. मेरा सिर मत खा। Don't nag me. Don't nag me. ठंडे दिमाग से सोचो। Think calmly. Think calmly. लानत है तुम पर। Shame on you. Shame on you. रट्टा मत मारो। Don't cram. Don't cram. तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा। Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. ध्यान से चलो। Walk carefully. Walk carefully. अब नीचे उतरो। Now get down. Now get down. कुत्ते को भगाओ। Shoo the dog away. Shoo the dog away. बात क्या है? What's the matter? What's the matter? थोड़ा आराम कर लो। Take some rest. Take some rest. आज के लिए ये काफ़ी है। It's enough for today. It's enough for today.